Yeah, so undoubtedly for everyone who's a fan of Shreya Ghoshal or who's seeing her as an idol will definitely think she's just not a person in their life because she has done a lot of things for her fans, including me, not in person but with her music. I really adore her and she is my lifeline and my soulmate, I would say, because every time I feel low or every time I feel so high and positive, I just take my mobile and play her song. And I'm really proud to say that I'm an SGN and I'm still adoring her and I will continue to adore her. So yeah, this question is actually like the people who have met her can easily answer this because they have seen her. That moment or that lifetime opportunity has still not come to me. I'm actually waiting for that. But if I see her, I'm actually not sure what I'm gonna do because I don't know. Like, will I go crazy or fall in her feet or cry at her? I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I just want to see her. That's what, even if it is in 200 meters or 500 meters, I just want to see. If I have to ask her something, I'll definitely ask for her blessing plus a small hug. The song which touched my soul, that's in Tamil because I was hearing Tamil songs in my childhood. Yeah, the song name is Unnavida. Few lines from that song. Unnavida, இந்த உலகத்தில் அசந்தது ஒண்ணுமில்ல ஒண்ணுமில்ல வாக்குப்பட கிடைச்சா விரமாண்டி சாட்சி சொல்ல சந்திர வருவாண்டி சாதி சனம் எல்லாம் அவன் தாண்டி கேட்ட வரம் உடனே தந்தாண்டி. Thank you. There are a lot of stuff which we can segregate in what basis you admire her, your idol. But the thing is, we love her and we admire her. The love is the only answer for this because she is spreading us love and positivity through her music, and we have to show that we have to pay that again to her. So I am paying that to her by showing her a lot of love and positivity through these years, and I'll continue to do. And all these Jains who are watching this will be doing this till their lifetime. I know that. This question is like, why do you eat every day? It's not a valid question, right? So it's like that because we are showing her love like it's a part of her life, the thing we do in her life. The main thing is her goofiness, but in on screen or for recording studios or live shows, she's as concentrated as a dedicated person or a nerdy. So that's what everyone loved from her. Who's the best doctor, me or Shreya? Actually, to be honest, I'm just in my second year. I have not yet started my career. But when it comes to Shreya, she has already started and she's healing a lot of souls. Even though she's not graduated as a doctor, uh, being in a music field, it's very, very hard to heal a soul. So she's pretty much doing a very great job in that, and I would proudly say she's the best doctor. Ilayaraja's brother Kartik Raja introduced Shreya Ghoshal to Ilayaraja sir. Arigin Askawa. I'm not sure of the year. Tamil debut song is Chellame Chellam, but the film name, it's a tricky question actually. I'm not sure of the film name, but the song is Chellame Chellam, but maybe the film name also will be in the Chellam. Maybe Chellam. I'm not sure. She has got 4 national awards. If I was a PA of Shreya, uh, I'll be the most happiest one in this whole world because I get to see her every day and I get to work with her every day. And I'll be the one who schedules all her concert dates, and it'll be much. Yeah, this is also one of my dream to sing along with her. If that happens, I don't know, like I'll literally go mad and I'll lose my sense for sure. If I have to travel with her in a car, I'll ask her to teach me some music because I don't know music, but I listen music. So I'll ask her to teach me few musics, few notes, how to reach up those notes, and our conversation will be light and melody as her. Um, Shreya's favorite song is obviously Lag Ja Gale. Everyone knows that. Here it goes. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले हे So I have to sing 3 songs of Shreya. Let's start. കുങ്കുമനിറസൂര്യൻ ചന്ദനവെയിലാലി മണ്ണിൽ തൂക്കും വെൺമധുരം തമ്പുരുഷതി മീട്ടി ഭാരതനിറകാട്ടിൽ പെയ്യും പാട്ടിൻ പാൽമധുരം മന്ദാരമാകെ മൂലുന്നവണ്ടോ ചുണ്ടോടിയേകും തെന്മധുരം കൺപീലിയാകെ നീയാം കിനാവിൽ മഞ്ഞോർമയാകും നീൻ മധുരം. Next song I want to sing in Telugu. చలి చలిగా వెళ్ళింది గిలి గిలిగా గిళ్ళింది నీ వైపే మళ్ళింది మనసు చిటపట చిందేస్తుంది అటు ఇటు దూకేస్తుంది సతమతమైపోతుంది వయసు చిన్ని 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 ఆశలు గిచి 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 గిచిపోతున్నావే గిచి 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 ఓసలు ఇంకేవో గుచి గుచి చంపేస్తున్నావే. So the last song will be in Tamil. Oh, padum neere ஓரலைதான் நான் உள்ளே உள்ளம் ஈரம் நீதான் வரம் கிடைத்தும் நான் தவற விட்டேன் மன்னிப்பாயா அன்பே. ஒரு நாள் சிரித்தேன் மறுநாள் வெறுத்தேன் உன்னை நான் கொள்ளாமல் கொன்று புதைத்தேனே மன்னிப்பாயா மன்னிப்பாயா மன்னி